because the hot air is hitting, and the warm air is hitting the snow and causing fog.
Can I jump in it?
No!
When we get back?
No!
Yeah.
Because you can't limp to school. See, they're clearing the walks for you so you can walk your ass to school.
Oh my god, look how deep this shit is. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's like half the size of me.
I thought you wanted to get in the front and take a good video.
Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
I know. This is the first time I've been outside since Thursday. I think it is Snowbank.
I think so too. Just call me Judy. Shut up. Well, misjudge that. There wasn't a person there, right?
No.
Oh, good.
It's foggy.
Accidentally see a tall black shadow. Make sure you hit it and hit it going.
Oh, all right. Thump, thump, thump. At least if you hear a thump, stop your car and look. Big Samuel, Dad almost killed by a truck earlier. Oh, there's a pedestrian.
Oh, look at this mountain. Ew.
Jump off the roof into it?
Yes.
That's gonna hurt. La da 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 da.
Dun 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 dun.
Here we come, John. Did you do win on the way to save the day so nobody's bored anymore? Uh-huh. Trusty old Christine. Saying you're low on gas. I had a full tank as of Friday morning. It is Monday and I am almost on empty. Figure that in a blizzard, would you please?
Today's Monday.
I said today's Monday.
No, you said you got a full tank of gas
Friday morning, and it's Monday, and I'm almost already on empty. Fathom that one.
You gotta go to Hopkinton.
I went to more than Hopkinton, pal. Norton. I went to Hopkinton, I went to Norton. Traveled to many towns, been many places. Had to go to Walmart and back. I don't know, what, 50 times?
Here in Boston, there is no surprise.
Paid my cell phone bill. I don't know. It is very foggy. I cannot see. I can't see either. Holy shit.
Put on my high beam.
You don't put your high beams
Low
on.
beams.
Yeah, you use your low beams in fog, Samantha. What's the matter?
Why?
My high school.
Oh, the
Shelter.
using it as a shelter, Mom.
I know they're using it as a shelter.
Well, I didn't think they would.
Well, of course they are. There's people without electricity. I don't know if they're still without electricity in town. The JC Avers is back up and running, but I think they have a generator. Look, don't the children walk along here? They still haven't unburied the sidewalks over here. Don't want to run over little darling children, would you?
Yes, I do.
I know you do.
See, today we were supposed to go to Brennan and sing to them.
Well, you'll be going a different day to sing for them in Brennan, won't you?
And then tomorrow, no, Wednesday we were supposed to go to Coelho. And then I think Friday was Wamsetta.
The outplacement firm says the growth of social media has lots of workers finding each other on Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn and interacting under the radar. The Dow down 22 points. Business reports at 8 and 38 past the hour. I'm Elisa Parenti, MarketWatch.com on WBZ News Radio 1030.
Check the extended WBZ AccuWeather forecast coming up next.
Replacing faucet or remodeling fab? There's one place you need to visit. Frank West Bath Center, your FW West.
See what you get when you rely on a groundhog?
Damn groundhog. The groundhog didn't see his shadow, so it's supposed to be spring
It's
earlier.
supposed to be in early spring, 6 weeks early of spring. Okay.
I don't think that's happening.
And then we might get more snow Wednesday. Maybe. Weren't we supposed to get something today?
Yeah, rain and sleet and snow. No, not really snow. Yeah. It's going to be warm all week. It's going to be melting, wetty, slushy mess. I hope their driveway is enough that I can fit in it. We don't die. Ah! I could have done that better. Where's your grandparents? What do you mean they have a big truck?
He lives with his grandparents?
Yeah.
Where's the big truck?
What happened to his parents?
Gosh. We'll take it out and redo the bottom of that. Holy crap.
Doesn't have a plow on the truck.
Well, that doesn't do me any good. We all die of carbon monoxide from the hole I probably just put in the muffler.
How does he have a house and we have an apartment?
It's his grandparents' house. He doesn't have a house, and his mother lives over in the low income in Taunton.
What about his dad?
I don't know, maybe he's dead. I don't know. I'm going to ask him.
No thanks.
Sammy, where's his dad? Does he not like him? Cool.
Yes, I did just walk past the door handle.
Nice. I was wondering where you're going.
So did I.
Hi, John.
Hi.
Hi. Was that a hint?
What?
Don't smoke that in my car either. All right. Sometimes people get in the car and get confused.
Sometimes I just sit in my mouth and I hold them there.
That's okay then. Pretend it's a candy cigarette. Don't eat it. Oh, this is a son of a bitch, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Ah!
Hey, hit the snowbank again.
All right, somebody plow that.
Oh, trust me, we tried to.
What's the matter, dumbass? You think you're gonna drive through me? Cause okay, everybody grab on the neck and back and fall out of the car screaming bloody murder. Everyone, if you go to the hospital. I plan on suing them.
Well, I can just throw the very blade.
From behind.
I can just throw a whole bunch of blade of knives at their tires if you want. No. That'd be fun though. Holy shit.
Yeah, have you ever been outside to see the sights?
I haven't. This is the first
That's
time.
the second time they're the second time that house's mailbox broke off.
That's not the road, is it? Oh, well, that was good, wasn't it?
Really?
Wrong way.
I haven't been outside since Friday morning at 3 a.m.
It could have been. You could have gone to your grandparents and shoveled them out if you wanted to.
I was sleeping. You guys didn't wake me up.
You got and inhaled all that smoke. Choke to death. Until killing me. Oh, damn it.
So at 3 a.m. I jumped into the snow and I sprained my ankle.
Smooth.
Thank you.
Yeah, like anybody knew where she was if she had broken her leg and was laying out in the middle of a blizzard
Bleeding out.
in a snowbank.
With your shoes.
Miss Danielle. She could have gone far in a blizzard.
I could try.
Have to wait till the snow melts to fucking find you.
Well, at least she's lucky she didn't almost break her ankle playing baseball and kind of somewhat tripped over the base.
Ha ha ha.
Well, that'd be okay because people knew where you were, right? Nobody
Yeah.
knew she left the house at 3 a.m. in the morning in a blizzard.
Why? I've blizzard and whatever the last blizzard that we had, I walked down it with no coat on.
Well, you're foolish.
I know. I told you about that.
You did?
Yeah. You told me I was a crackhead.
Hi, person with a Hummer. Would you like to stop your
It's not a Hummer.
car?
kind
It's
of
not a
Hummer?
Hummer.
That's a Toyota.
Whatever.
Toyota.
It looks like a Hummer.
It's a
That's
Toyota.
not a
Why I
Hummer.
quit this is why I quit automotive.
It's a Toyota FJ, aka the Toyota fucking junk.
Why?
Toyota FJ, fucking junk. They're pieces of shit.
I thought we were going to the store.
Why are we going to the store?
I thought we were going to the store.
We are?
I thought we
need
were.
Gas.
And I want candy.
I hope they have gas.
Haney's
I had a full tank of gas Friday morning. I'm on empty and it's Monday. Fathom that.
You could have a leakage in the little thing.
Oh no, it's not from that. I have to have two parents that live on the opposite sides of Massachusetts. We need help being dug out.
One looks the north, one looks Hopkinton. And it would have gone. But I was sick.
And then I had to go to Walmart, and then I had to leave Walmart, then I had to go back to Walmart, then I had to leave Walmart, then I had to go back to Walmart, then I had to go to the store twice,
I just stare at Sam and she's like, what?
And it's my uncle too.
and yeah, it's your uncle too. And then I had to come get you. Escape from the house.
The game guy is not open.
Well, it's Monday. He doesn't open on Mondays. What?
The, I'm not sure if it's made by Can-Am or not, but the, like the Polaris things, the buggies that they have. Slamming the dude's driveway. I wanted to so
He
bad.
also made it very clear he has no intention in selling the Red Sox. And Daisuke signs a clean win to Hideki Okajima close with Oakland.
You get all
Why
sad.
didn't you get frosting?
I'm gonna get frosting and cookies. Wherever the hell we go.
Well, that's where we're going. Just have to get gas.
And I want candy.
Hopefully they have gas. I was just thinking that.
The day. Did you see everybody the day before the blizzard?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Me and my mom were coming home from freaking Taunton. She went to Fall River for Native American drum practice, and I sat at my aunt and uncle's. Like Call of Duty.
We went out Friday morning because we got gas. We went to the grocery store. We went and paid our cell phone bill. We went by the shop. What else did we do?
Banks.
Huh?
Banks.
Oh, we went to the banks. We were very busy Friday morning. And you know what? Nobody was at the gas station. Nobody was at the grocery store Friday morning. So it worked well. Because they were packed on Sunday. I didn't eat much anyway. So.
Thursday it was packed as well.
Yep.
All the gas stations.
Oh,
and
Thursday
whatnot.
night. That's what I meant. Thursday night. Oh my God. And plus I had to drive Drew home Thursday night.
Late.
yeah.
That's his last name?
Yeah, I went over
Yeah.
his house.
A mobile home blew up over there. Wasn't his though.
Yeah, Ian New Philly posted a picture about that.
Does he live over there?
Yeah, I think so.
Those are nice places. Danny thought they were all like what you see on Earl. No, they're not like what you see on Earl. Then she saw how nice his was. Said, oh my God.
Wow, Danny.
I know.
She thought we were all going to be hillbillies.
It was.
In Alabama.
I don't
It
mind being a
was-
hillbilly. I'm going to go live with Christina
Listen.
down in Florida.
Listen, it was bigger than our second apartment.
I know that, dumbass.
Why am I being called a
Because
dumbass? Put on these lights.
Dad's aunt and uncle that
Put on
lives
that
down
light.
in Florida now had a trailer up here.
Put on the light!
Put on those lights.
I don't like you people. I'm trying to make a pity video. Not really, it's
Pretty
boring.
good. Look how dirty the snow is now.
Looks like God shit all over it.
The angels.
Let's just run these people over.
I can't believe that if it's Catalano. Nope.
No, it's two black people. Hey, the turds are walking.
Oh, we saw one of the. That's not nice. Holy crap! Don't put that on Facebook. Or edit it.
No, it was going on YouTube.
Cousins.
Edit it. That's rude.
I don't know how to.
Well, you better, because he's gonna get lynched. Oh, crap. I can't remember what I was
Ooh, the Lich from Adventure Time.
The what?
The Lich.
Lynched.
The Lich?
I like the Lich.
You get hung by your throat.
That sounds like fun.
I don't know what that is. And...
Can I get candy?
No, I don't like you.
I want candy.
You don't need candy.
Candy.
You don't need candy.
You don't need life.
Where's this guy in this cruiser? Hurry up, get your gas and get the hell out of my way.
Who's gambling?
I mean, he's gambling.
Gambling.
I could say something that's really messed up. But I'm not saying it.
Oh, good.
Just keep it to myself. Because you'll probably laugh your ass off.
I can't laugh, my throat hurts.